this kind of thing I owe you now. According to your statement, the way you see you take close to channel. Go on the share you go for person mat. When the person not even mean now call they put her for a body, call they put her for a mat. Go on the if you do come for this matter, una go feel swear. Why it boa? I want to know who about here. Now person we don't find the life for here. What make me the feel say I do something bad, I do something evil. Why do they do like this? What shall they call me? Like maybe you not dead here. For your waiting you write for according to waiting you write, you say, Mama Nora, you say Sharon na your party. Is your Omoruyi. Is your Omoruyi. When me and Sharon say no, I believe say so for never they never say I believe, never they play that time. You and Sharon don't dey close before me and she not dey close again. Una two don't dey close before me and she no can they do say we not dey friend again. When Frank talk out for this live video, when Sharon you die, say Mama Nora and Sharon, now so they be. Now Sharon they carry Mama Nora go Denmark. Where you dey? Where you dey? When Frank they talk and say now Sharon they carry Mama Nora they go Denmark. Where you dey? Izzy Omoruyi. Where till the Bible give me say I lie against the death? Izzy, you go food bro, you do paper come for me say I lie against the death. I say what I say out of pity, out of sympathy, because nobody expect I say our friend, our sister go now. All of them we call a claim busybody for come message. Do you ever talk to her when she's alive? Do you ever talk to her when she dey alive? Have you ever shared her when she dey alive? Have you ever communicate with her when she dey alive? I don't know her, we not be friends. Why would I carry my phone to call her when she born? I born, she call me. She born, I call her. I talk with her, I talk when people they drag her, say and I say yes. The way she take stress herself, and I say repeat her again. The way she take stress herself, the way she take labor, the way she take do, it not be like who mama carry come. She no book. Wherefore don't say she no book. She your battle rest. No, not carry that word talk. Only wait till I say okay. If you not this thing, only what you got here. I say what I say in out of pity. If my enemy fight, don't go say that children stress na it by me. If my enemy fall for granted, don't go say that children stress na it by me. I go up born for now. The day when the year say I go hospital, I never even my dear life. When I talk about the gospel and children's stress, now it by me. It's your Omoruyi. Mind you, there is something heavy when I don't even talk. I'm not talking. I wish that down me or talk. What he play of free sense? What he play of free sense? Free sense early this year. Early this year, I wish me or talk that thing. A bad shadow. Me say all of your pack come my ass come by me say, Mama Nora, why you talk this kind of thing? Why you talk this kind of thing? I don't say what I said to bring her down. I don't say what I said to plot against her. I don't say what I said to expose her. I say what I said in out of sympathy because if she really did okay, say the way she take from Italy, same person we bear half, come Italy, come Germany. Come shop at Zoro, and you now man, he go call Jamie. Who they talk truth now? Who know that you say, I don't like this woman, I don't like this man. Take judge matter. I repeat what I talk about. Say what I say in out of pity, out of sympathy. Now I take talk what I talk. I mean no harm. To take brigand down. Maybe the time when me and Shina party, you both of you were not friends. It's your Omoruyi. When me and Shina party together, both of you were not friends. You ever say, you ever talk with a man, say, when I call her, you dead here. Why you not right to come and say, now I leave a man Nora call her when she born, out of presenter. Una go use the 5 person mistake, person effort. Eru wa jia iye do wa so wo unero like wo. Eru wa jia wa iye do unero like wo. Okay, what's it play this early year? I wish me go talk I still reserve that one. Say na gbe go tie na resa agbe ma ya zene no nene do e. When Frank talk and say na mama Nora na Sharon carry mama Nora go Denmark. It's your Omoruyi. Where were you? Were you sleepy? Were you taking your bath? Now, don't know my brother say she dey travel for different place. If I lie against her, if you want bury Sharon, use the spirit to swear. It's the Omoruyi. Don't let me open my mouth talk. If I lie against her, the day we want bury Sharon as your friend, use the spirit to swear. Use the spirit to swear. I want to know who I'm about here. I'm about here. I know who wants to come out when you're once you know pop, you don't know everything now. It matters if they can never finish. Every guys so there, and women are there you why. The women are there you why. Did that lie? Mama Nora, you said Charlie party. How? When? Where? It's your Omoruyi. Are you write this thing? Is your Omoruyi? Are you write this thing? Oh, Sharon, not talk to you. Even Frank, I shock when Frank only went a beg. I shock when Sharon, when Frank, I never ever talk that time. When Frank, it proud still talk her. That is your tire. Why am I not go show now? And you know that
Nothing wait, I talk to you.
Only sorry, I beg. I believe they pay me. I don't expect this writer for Izzy.
Madam, we on your
yet.
Yesterday, I said I don't want to talk about this issue again. Now, impatience to do more. Pass your point and off this live video. Just pass a point. Pass your point off this live video.
Patient Omoruyi. Patient Omoruyi.
Just pass your point. Off
the
live video. Not be too much talk.
Do my hair. Do my hair. You say Mama Nora. You say Sharon na your party. How? When? Where? Just open mouth the lie. Izzy. Una two don't become like this. Before me and Sharon don't become like this. Una two don't become like this. Before me and she can't become like this. Okay, the time when Frank talk and say Sharon carry me go Denmark. Una never be friend that time. Una never be friend that time. Cause you want to say Frank lie. When my guy will ask me, I say na truth. Frank no lie, and na truth. If Frank is mad talk, I want to know. Okay, another person before you call me before say, oh yeah, come on, why I never marry, why I never the born. No. I will take go Denmark. Not be sure to carry me go Denmark. You say I lie against her.
You never still pass your point. Finish, Mudia.
You say I lie against her. No, that lie. The people they say I lie against her.
Just calm down. Take a cheap pill.
It's yours.
Mudia, Nizi nothing yet now. When me and Izzy talk 5 days ago, a bit 1 week ago. She not confirm and say call Sharon when she born.
I call her say when she born.
Not tell you say even before Sharon die. No be now. You even call her.
I call her.
What's the normal money like
that? For first one I call her.
For first one you call her. This
second
one so
I call her.
she confirm her.
It's your Omoruyi.
Now we wait first. They pass your point.
Now I want to say.
Not the shot. Just the pass your point. Say why she go write that kind of a thing.
Tell me, is your money? You need to come out.
You said it out of where maybe you said it. Should I say you put it out of ignorance? Or tie out of where?
Again now, stressing. You're stressing.
Do not purposely talk am. Finish, honey.
That's all.
Not too much talk.
I talk as it. Not be she supposed to stress like this. What with the way she take go school?
Finish.
With the way she take no book. Her capacity, she's supposed to day office, they write, because she did very brilliant when it comes to book. I had the battle yo bug me. They know the whole battle say Sharon help me spell or Sharon call ask spell say I not remember to spell this thing again. I bet you know the spelling. She not be like that. She did very brilliant. Is your Omoruyi? I don't expect this right off for you. I don't expect this right off for you. That thing me what tell me not play but I really this year. You mean go to why you for your carry go shoot me say why will tell this thing. Now make I tell you this. If you say I lie against her, she want bury her. Use the spirit to swear.
May I take this thing from here?
She want bury her. Use the spirit to swear.
Dress, may I take the matter from here?
Use the spirit to swear. She want bury her.
On the dress, may I take the issue from here?
For one
Mudia, on the dress, because normally Matthew only go a video now, but I want eat the point maybe we cut this video. Normally, I'm making the video not take be like 10 minutes. My lovers of Enogi and all social media people who they watch me this evening. What my wife said.
Mama, no, not talking. No, I'm not talking. I'll tell my okay. If I be my come away.
Mudia, wait first. Wait first.
Okay, my love.
Wait, I just want to put an end.
Okay.
Because see, may I tell you what you don't know about these people? Wait till you talk that day. True to God Almighty, you not talk out to bring shadow down. Adam, the enemies we have, we want to paint it to brainwash and convince patients Izzy to believe say one is a bring shadow down.
No.
Adam, they listen. Adam, okay. As far as we have enemies like this, now make me talk. Say I don't want to talk about the issue again because they themselves, when they call the phone corrector, they use the thing they make money. If they come on live, now they'll come correct me. They use the thing they make money, but they'll call the point finger to one particular person. Say now a no gay. Now they use the thing. And Hollywood, the talk. Wait first. I don't want to make you. I don't want to make this thing past 10 minutes.
Okay, sorry.
Maybe to get a very honey. Okay. After I don't think yesterday, I come find and say, okay, now since these people want use this matter attention to my own, it could be like say. Now maybe the bad person, now there be the good person. Where they talk about the shallow matter, till they make money, and yet know the will time. Then the patients Island hotel in Notaba, I believe we hear Queen we live video now. My people, may I talk? Let me explain what my wife really meant by that. You see, this life who they so. They pray when I this issue of Sharon Okpame so it can't pay me say when this girl their life, the caring, the love, where some people they show them now. Just do the silent thing. The love where people they show them now. The love where people they show them now, they're not showing when they their life. And Izzy Omoruyi, you know that. He pay me for Izzy Omoruyi, you say she writes this kind of thing. Because where the people where they convince her now to believe that I will be the bad person, not support Sharon when she did her life. My lovers of Enogi, I am using this medium now to say this. My wife did not say this thing to bring Sharon down. She did not say what she said to bring Sharon down. She said what she said because she just wanted to say it out of ignorance to prove a point. Not knowing that our enemies will change it in our hands. Please, Enogi lovers, my wife not get when it bring Sharon down, and she can never bring Sharon down. They were best of friends before Izzy came into the picture. There were a lot of people who was friends to Sharon before Izzy came to Sharon's life. Yeah, they not call it. I don't want to even count so many, but my wife was just like one of it. You understand? So now, since they want to use the matter attention to our own, I beg, if my wife talk something to take bring Sharon down to now for now we call it from fake love. Wahala wugu. A family Sharon. No, don't be them. Don't be them. No. A family Sharon. If my wife talk what she not supposed to talk, but everything what she say was truth. I always saw it. But she's not supposed to say it according to when the man yata nana. Wahala wugu we mona forget. Wahala I beg. Make this matter there because only they don't use our head. If you don't know it happen now, they are using our head to make money. They are not saying that we are the one making this money. So that's why I say I don't want to talk about this issue again. Yeah. Una bye you. I say I love you all so much. Please, this matter of say na so Mama Nora talk, na so Mama Nora not talk. But why me where Agwete why say Mama Nora also went further to say where she's brilliant and there is no English where she not feel right or J school in you. But I'm attorney. No ye mistake it tani. Okay, please, for the sake of me and my wife, because if you don't know what these people they use us do, when make me come my yesterday say I don't want to talk this thing past here, may I tell you. After the Adam me like do one, me like do one, yeah the ladder. What kind of party is this? Can you just imagine? Their page, you don't have battle. The people call it us. Wow!
You are right.
Wow!
You are right. You are right.
So now, the reason why me now don't want to talk about the issue again, if we not can talk, because now I know the old is sweet. Only, may you still tell the family of Sharon, say, may they not vex. If they feel, say you use a big gun down. But Izzy Makeke, no simple.
I respect someone no whoever can tell any, he get Sharon or Nora Demaki. A Sharon, you know, I get Sharon, Biene, me give a Biene. Only you know, I can Frankie, time we are getting no, we are call it a Sharon, going to go to Demakia. So before me converse, thought that was say the way she takes stress, she's not supposed to do that kind of thing.
Well, why apologize to a family or if nah.
Why we go?
A family
Sharon.
Just apologize.
Wow, what it about? According to Izzy, where I lie against her, then one more talk.
No, those ones not me.
No, see, he let no read the right talk now. No. On the read the right talk.
You follow my instruction.
Okay.
I will lead you to what's not good.
Okay.
We may hear now.
I understand.
Before me talk yesterday, say I don't want to talk past it. I don't know what
no, only read the right. What is the right?
He say you lie.
He say I lie.
Right? Not be patient. Easy matter now. Hold us right now.
No, I still drag the thing. Come
So now, what you go do? Because I believe say before she write this thing, why you convincing?
But you
know where you convincing any mass supportation or ragbon. So now, since the one use the matter attention to our own, may you tell our family say, if you use what you talk out of say you talk, say they feel and now say they use and they bring their daughter we don't back down. May they not vex. No, cut this video.
Okay. Family of Sharon, wait till I talk when my eyes see. I don't lie for the dead head. I don't lie for the dead body. I mean a Joe method one me have a Joe akwe. Wala wo we nita o makeke nita unwe wa egwe wala wo ite we nita out of pay out of sympathy yate ila wala o because we know ya might not need that be
go deep.
Okay,
what on your pa
wala o wa egwe unwe wala o imamu oge bai awe so but then na mena gwe yete tabiri yo ni mete ya mi ne o wa ya take ke me o get different je ken wa o get different say she can wa o get or dey deep wala wo family of Sharon wa egwe
thank you
wala wo wa egwe
so please idegbe we do ba o hame in Iye Sharon and the family of Sharon. Wala wo. Di manado boti gwan yi mata re Sharon. I mate ve ti ori ma re na ragbo ma re a support movie so re or yi ma re ti do gwan yo. Sisi managbon avun dan yan do yakin ori ma e ma wo kan na ko la wa mata na wala wo wa re gwi wala ho because ave madan no do away e no ge is the bad party. Ya make go. So mema o na do ayi me ya make go ne na go me guyi. I don't want make people call they correct me. They use me they make money for what that they quarrel with me for.
My question when Frank talk and what did
Oni you no need to no worry Oni Imanag mo berry. Oni I know what I dey do. Baby.
Yes, sir.
But you know say I like problem. But you know observe and say I can't talk like this.
Hey.
When you understand. If you understand, you for calm.
You know, say for Insta, we don't deceive ourselves. If we listen to our Insta and say you fuck up, well,
no.
Say for you I still ask you several times. You say no. Can you matter tell me down? But you see when we down with her. Voila, why good?
Essence I hear ya. I could be neither way at the we success I have been.
Yes.
You know, say then now they use our normal saga for Facebook. Till they want they use and they rob this recent issue with the happen. Me not could understand. I wish me even understand me for not even he make it when we shall not deliver with safe. Because when me get the code yesterday after I sleep wake up, I can't see and say man, they are using me to make wait that they quarrel with me for.
Sympathy of
oh, you know me where I okay wait, may I make you understand what happen.
Okay.
And you be a nogi. Now me be no enemy. Now you talk about Sharon.
Okay.
Me now. Me want to correct you when you talk about Sharon. Me they tell you now say you they use Sharon they make money. And my page get monetization.
And you tell me they talk about.
And me now want to correct with you now to get people to my side, to make people confess and me love pass. And then they make come and say, what kind of a party is this? You say you this. Emotional corner. What kind of a party is this? And then you claim you love these people, you cannot like you are very comment at you see, this is what we have been saying. All those who come to say if they use that stylishly till they make money. Also now when I wear it matter now. Man, all right my people.